Here, the mark of a job well done is leaving virtually no mark at all. You see, this is more than a cut in the pavement. It's a path forward. Forged by you and your crew, with Vermeer by your side. From the first cut to the final fill. If it goes underground, we're right on top of it. The mark of a Vermeer microtrenching job is easy to see. Clean cuts, clean job sites, clean finish. Almost like you were never there. Vermeer powers your crew with end-to-end microtrenching solutions, all backed by local dealers who come through big time. Around-the-clock parts service, the industry guidance and expertise to see what's coming around the corner. It's what keeps you equipped with confidence. Lots and lots of confidence. Shallow depth, narrow cut, maximum impact. When it comes to microtrenching, every cut tells a story. And the best scenes end looking very much like they did in the beginning, because that's the mark of a microtrenching job well done.